luteum. Clear? Though the corpus luteum also secretes few amounts of estrogen. Clear? And then another cycle will occur. It coincides with the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle occurs in the uterus, specifically in the endometrium. Okay? There are 3 phases. The menstrual phase, which occurs between day 1 to 5, proliferative phase between day 6 to 14, and the secretory phase between day 15 to 28. So, what is the correlation of your menstrual cycle with the ovarian cycle? Without the ovarian cycle, menstrual cycle will not occur because both of them are stimulated by the same hormone. In the menstrual phase, it coincides with the follicular phase. So, the average blood loss every month during your menstrual cycle is between 50 to 150 ml of blood. Anything less than 50 and anything above 150 ml blood loss, kung kayo ay re-reglahin, ang tawag dyan ay menometrorrhagia. Meaning you have an irregular bleeding. Menometrorrhagia, anything less than 50 or anything above 150 ml of blood loss. Okay? The normal average interval or frequency of your menstrual period occurs between 3 to 5 days. Kapag nireglang sa babaeng, isang araw lang o hanggang 2 araw o higit pa sa 5 araw, ito ang tinatawag na irregular menstrual cycle. Okay? Kaya lang, meron yung basic or criteria. It has to occur for about 6 consecutive months to 1 year. Kung sa loob ng 6 na buwan hanggang 1 taon, parating ganun ang pattern ng regla, ibig sabihin, irregular na ang menstruation. Meaning, hindi sa bawat isang buwan ay naglalabas ka ng secondary oocyte. Hindi ibig sabihin nire-regla ay nag-o-ovulate. Maliwanag? Okay. Dahil it coincides with the follicular phase of the ovarian cycle and the predominant hormone here is estrogen, it is responsible for your premenstrual syndrome. It is accompanied by your dysmenorrhea, headache, body aches or body pain, sometimes fever, tenderness on your breast, increasing in the body temperature. Maliwanag ba? Picture pa. Maliwanag? So that is for day 1 to 5. After the day 5 menstrual phase, it will enter to the next phase, which is the proliferative phase. This coincides with your ovulation. Ay, kayo dyan, siguraduhin yung makakagalitan ko, ha? Hindi kwentuhan ngayon ng kwentuhan dyan. Ha? Baka kayo ay nagdepende lang sa mga video-video na to. Oh. Sige, magkikita tayo ulit sa summer. Kita nga, ang tingin nyo pa. So again, ovulation in the ovarian cycle coincides with the proliferative phase of your menstrual cycle. This time, the hormone responsible for this is your FSH and LH. Okay? After the proliferative phase, the next will be your secretory phase, which coincides with your luteal phase. Okay, again, the predominant hormone for this is your progesterone. Kaya sa tinawag na proliferative, kasi it proliferates. The endometrium in the uterus proliferates, kumakapal. Secretory, it accumulates fluid. Kaya nagiging inflamed or engorged ang inyong uterus. Yun ang reason kung bakit kayo nagdidysmenorrhea. Okay? And when there is no fertilization, so nakalagpas sila sa proliferative phase. Hindi nagtagpo ang secondary oocyte at saka yung mature sperm cell, it will proceed to the next phase, which is the secretory phase, and will immediately follow with your menstrual phase. So yun yung menstrual flow or menstrual blood. Maliwanag ba? Clear. Okay. Example,
Ito yung reason. Ito,